Hi everyone. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can bounce your camera flash. You just have to move it to the up direction if you are indoor and having a wide ceiling. So you have to bounce it off through the wall and the light will come back downwards, and because the area of reflection is quite a big area, then the light will be very soft and reflected evenly. Let's talk about different ways. What you will have to do, you will have to make your flash like this on the back side. Let's suppose this is the lens towards the subject, and you will just have to put your flash towards yourself, and you will have to use it like that, and so light is going to bounce off the white wall and going to reflect towards the subject. Let's suppose you don't have any kind of ceiling, you just have to fold bend it a bit and maybe 60 or 75 degree, and you will have to just put out this thing, and by using this you can fire the flash, and the flashlight is going to bounce through this onto your subject face. If you are not having any kind of wall or you can't able to reflect light, use this to diffuse the light so that the hard light doesn't come on the forehead or maybe somewhere else on the skin. And you just have to reduce the flash power as much you can and open the aperture wide open, and your shutter will be accordingly you need, and you will have to raise the ISO. Thanks for watching.